everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're giving you an exclusive look inside a luxury home designed in a warm wood, white and gold style. In this video, you'll see everything from the elegant dining room and open bedroom to the indoor pool, jacuzzi spa, home theater, and a stunning luxury kitchen. And make sure you stay till the very end because we're saving the best for last, our beautiful luxury gazebo. So don't go anywhere and let's tour this dream home together.